In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank account for payouts in Stripe. To get started, log into your Stripe dashboard. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you manage more than one business profile in Stripe. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to let the page fully load so all settings and account options are available. Next, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. This is where Stripe keeps the main account configuration options, including business details, payout settings, and banking information. After that, look for the business section under your account settings and select it. This area contains important business-related information tied to your Stripe account, including where your payouts are sent. From there, open the Bank Accounts and Currencies tab. In this section, you'll be able to view your existing payout banking setup, along with any supported currencies connected to your account. If you're updating an existing setup or adding a new destination for payouts, this is the place to do it. Now click Add Bank Account. This will begin the process of linking a bank account that Stripe can use to send your payouts. The next step is to choose the country and currency for the payout account. It's important to select the correct combination here because your available banking formats and payout options can vary depending on the country and currency you choose. Once that's selected, enter your bank account details carefully. This typically includes the account holder name, the routing number or sort code if required in your region, and the bank account number or IBAN. Be sure to type everything exactly as it appears in your banking records. Even a small mistake in one of these fields can delay payouts or cause the account to be rejected. Before moving on, review all the information you entered. Double-check the country, currency, account holder details, and all banking numbers to make sure everything is accurate. This quick review can save you time and help avoid payout issues later. When everything looks correct, click Save or Add Bank Account. Once you do that, Stripe will store the bank account and use it for payouts based on your account's payout settings. Depending on your region, Stripe may also require verification or additional confirmation before payouts begin, so keep an eye out for any follow-up prompts. That's all it takes to add a bank account for payouts in Stripe. Thanks for watching.